Want to break into data science without breaking the bank? Top universities and tech giants are throwing open their doors with free or beginner-friendly courses that could be your golden ticket. But here's the twist. While the resources are abundant, the real challenge lies in picking the right path for your goals. Let's dive into what Harvard, MIT, IBM, Cisco, and Google Cloud are offering, and why it might just change your career trajectory. And this is the part most people miss. These courses aren't just about theory. They're designed to arm you with hands-on skills that employers crave. Harvard, Python-driven data science for the curious minds. Harvard's Introduction to Data Science with Python is a self-paced, 8-week journey tailored for learners with a nod of familiarity with programming and stats. Led by Professor Pavlos Protopappas. The course doesn't just teach Python, it shows you how to wield it. From regression models to machine learning basics, you'll grapple with real-world problems like overfitting and model uncertainty. Think of it as a playground where Python libraries like Pandas and scikit-learn become your tools for exploration. And here's a pro tip. While the course is free, investing in a verified certificate could boost your resume. Computational thinking meets real-world problem-solving. MIT's Introduction to Computational Thinking and Data Science is for those who want to bridge the gap between coding and practical solutions. Using Python, you'll dive into simulations, optimization, and statistical analysis. The course isn't just lectures and readings. It's a marathon of problem sets that push you to think like a data scientist. Based on John Gutag's textbook, this course is a gold standard for learners who thrive on structured challenges. But here's where it gets controversial. Is theoretical knowledge enough to land a job? Or do employers value project portfolios more? Share your thoughts in the comments. IBM, from data cleaning to career-ready skills. IBM's SkillsBuild program offers a beginner-friendly pathway that demystifies how data powers industries, from streaming services to finance. In just 20 hours, you'll master data cleaning, analysis, and visualization using IBM Watson Studio. The cherry on top, digital badges that act as micro-credentials. Imagine showcasing these badges on LinkedIn to signal your skills to potential employers. But here's a question. Are these badges enough to stand out in a crowded job market? Or should you pair them with hands-on projects? Cisco. Data science for ethical decision makers. Cisco's Introduction to Data Science is a breath of fresh air for beginners who want to understand data's role in fields like healthcare and cybersecurity. It's not just about crunching numbers, it's about ethics. The course highlights critical issues like data privacy, ensuring you're not just a number cruncher, but a responsible practitioner. But here's a debate. Should data science education prioritize ethics over technical skills? We'd love to hear your take. Google Cloud, a playground for experimentation. Google Cloud's data science platform flips the script. Instead of a structured course, it's a full-fledged ecosystem for experimentation. With tools like BigQuery and Vertex AI, you can build everything from no-code AutoML models to advanced workflows using TensorFlow. Think of it as a sandbox where you can test ideas, deploy solutions, and learn by doing. But here's the catch. Will self-directed learning suit your style? Do you need a guided curriculum? Final thoughts. Ready to level up? These courses are more than just free. They're a gateway to opportunities in tech, business, and beyond. But the real value lies in how you leverage them. Will you stick to one program or mix and match to build a unique skill set? And here's a challenge. How can you turn these free resources into a competitive edge in the job market? Share your strategies below. Education and Careers Desk brings you insights on admissions, exams, and career moves. Stay updated with the latest in education by clicking here, https://gnpsen, or downloading the News 18 app, https://onlink.to, eng article EOP. Disclaimer, comments reflect users' views, not News 18's. Keep discussions respectful and constructive.